because I got a lot of feedback and I learned from my mistakes from the course, I think I really improved with the anatomy and the heads and the body proportion and everything. I took really a lot of that from the course. My name is Roy. I'm from Tel Aviv, Israel. Recently, I started to work as a 3D generalist for an animation studio. Before that, 11 years, I was a programmer, and I really wanted to do something more creative. When I came to the course, I wanted to challenge myself. I was looking to have from A to Z, like a solid workflow that I can take after the course and just put it for other characters. But the main thing was like the anatomy and getting the right proportions, which I wasn't very good at before. I think the major part that helped me get over it was the feedback, which was really, really a crucial part, because learning from your mistakes is the best way to learn. And if you don't have somebody to point you what you're doing wrong, it can take you a really long time. I really developed a better eye for details and to read the concept right. Well, first of all, it's structured. Until you don't finish something, you can't continue. It's really built the way that it's like bricks, like brick by brick. You get a really good solid foundation and they build on top of that. And I think the way that Marlon explains everything is great. I actually like the feedback. It's so important to have a good community that can give you feedback. That's very important. So live feedback, that's priceless.